Action.
Okay, so today we're going to show how I connect my ROADMASTER NIGHTHAWK to the Jeep as we prepare to tow. This particular tow bar tows up to 8,000 pounds. Our Jeep weighs about 4,200 pounds or so. It's a 2020 Sahara Wrangler 4-door. And it's a pretty simple process. So first I'm just going to unlatch our clinch pins. And these are what will be attached to the Jeep. So I have a little lever here that keeps this locked in. I just push that and it releases the bar. So the first thing I do is I just connect one side. There's a hole in this pin where this goes through. And so that locks this bar onto this tow piece that's attached to the Jeep. The next thing I do is I connect our lighting cable to this connection here that was installed on the Jeep. You just pop it up, slide this bad boy in, and now we're connected. The next thing I connect while I'm on this side of the Jeep is this is our breakaway connection. So in the event the tow bar, the Jeep comes disconnected from the tow bar, this is attached here to this little clip, and what will happen is this will pull this out and it will activate the brakes on the Jeep, so that if the Jeep breaks loose, the brakes are activated and it'll stop the Jeep instead of letting the Jeep just free willy roll down the road. So that's everything on this side. I'll come over, I'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Slide our pin in. Locking pin on, snap it down, and then the last thing I do is on each side I connect our safety cables. To that side, I have one on this side, and now the Jeep is connected. So we've got a solid connection here, our safety chains, our breakaway, our lighting, our other safety chain, and our connection. And back on the RV, we have the same sort of connection. Down here, I have our safety cable here, I have another one here. Those are crossed over, and our lighting is plugged into our pin here. So at this point, when the Jeep is connected, it's ready to go. So the next step that we do is AJ will go inside. We'll test the lights to make sure that the lights on the Jeep work. She'll pull forward a little bit to lock these locking pins. And at that point, we are ready to tow.
Is there anything special you have to do inside the Jeep?
There is. Every vehicle has a sequence of steps that you have to take to prepare it to be towed with all four wheels on the ground. Other vehicles are towed on tow dollies, car dollies, but our particular one is able to tow 4 down. There is a step that's included in your manual on how to set up your vehicle to be towed for 4 down.
Awesome.
So enjoy it and hit us up with any kind of questions.
All right. Thank you for following Nomad Nesters. We're
Nomad
off to the Grand
Nesters.
Canyon.
Let's go.